In order to repair the dashpad, in most cases you will need to remove it from the car. In case you haven't done so already, there is a link in the description below to a quick DIY on how to do that. Now to get the repair itself, you will first need a strong contact glue. The one used in this video is the Bison Kit Super Strong Contact Glue, which seems to hold up pretty nice. All you need to do is apply the contact glue on both surfaces where the dashpad is peeling up and then use a brush to even it out. Now use some kind of rigid material like wood and some clamps to hold it all in place while the glue is drying. After waiting the recommended time, your dashpad should be repaired. And there you go, done.